Do you want to make extra cash with real estate in your spare time? Then you're going to love Flipster, the software that helps you find and flip houses for profit without using your own cash. Listen, the old way of flipping houses is dead. Abandoned signs, driving for dollars, direct mail. They take time, money, and effort, and then you sit and wait for the phone to ring. But Flipster has made that a thing of the past. For the first time in history, you can get instant access to every motivated seller in the country with just your smartphone or computer. Just enter your zip code and see underpriced houses in your area, including absentee owners, pre-foreclosures, MLS leads, and more. But that's not all. You can contact sellers, make offers, get funding, and find cash buyers, all with the push of a button. It's real estate meets technology and can help you escape the rat race once and for all. Click the button on the video to learn more.